In this particular video we will continue the previous concept. So in the previously what we have seen the binary subtraction using ones complement. For here in this particular video we will solve the example for binary subtraction using two's complement. Okay, so you have to write this the equation as it is. So it is something like 1 1 0 1 1 0. Now it is nothing but 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, now as you can see the subtrahend is how much miniand is 6 bits and subtrahend is 5 bits. Fine. Now to do that, to solve this, what you have to do, you have to add one more 0 or one more bit to the sixth position. Okay, now how it will become? So it will become like 0 1 0 1 1 0. Fine. So this is the subtrahend. Now what you have to do, so you have to convert this subtrahend or this part to two's complement for the solution. Fine. Now the same concept, this is the same thing. So now you have to convert this this to the two's complement means first you have to convert it, you have to invert the bits, isn't it? That is nothing but 1 0 0 1 0 1. Fine. So now to get the two's complement you have to add 1 to this thing, isn't it, to this answer, to get the two's complement. How to do? 0 or 1 plus 1 0 with the 1 carry, you are bringing that bring down that 1 to the resultant. Next 0 again 1 0 1. So you are going to get the answer as 1 0 1 0 1 0 as the two's complement for the subtrahend. Now what you have to do, you have to consider this. So it is something like 1 1 0 1 1 0. Now you have to add your result, whatever the result you have received here. That is nothing but 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now normal addition, normal binary addition, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0, along with that you have to carry the value, there is 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 it is 0, but you are going to take the carry to the next position. So this will become 0 and you are taking 1 carry to the next bit. So 0 plus 0 0. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry. Fine. Now 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry. So 0 plus 0 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 0 with the 1 carry. Now 0 plus 1 1 and you have one more carry, you have to bring down that carry here. Now in two's complement what you have to do, so whatever the carry you receive you have to neglect it, you should not consider this. Fine. Now the actual answer will be 1 0 0 0 0 and 0. Fine. Now what is the equivalent, what is the answer? 1 0 0 means 1 2 4 8 16 32. So answer is 32. Fine. If you want you can check. So what is this? 1 2 4 6 16 6 22 22 plus 32 30 50 54. So 54 minus 2 4 6 16 22. Fine. Now what is 54 minus 22? So it is 2 3. So answer should be 32. So whatever the answer you received is also 32. That means this step is correct. Fine. This is how you have to go for the subtraction. But in this case, in this example, you will be having the carry and you are neglecting the carry and you are considering only rest of the bits for the answer. But if you come to the next example, if you come to this example, let us solve the example as well. So both the bits are same, so you don't need to worry. You have to consider this, you have to convert this to two's complement. How to do that? So it is nothing but 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Now invert the bits, 1 0 1 0 0, add 1. So 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 1 0 0. So this is the answer, this is the two's complement. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to consider this value and you have to add up that value with this minion. Okay, now how to do that? It is nothing but 10110 plus whatever the result you received here, so that is nothing but 00110. Fine. Now what is a normal addition? 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 it is 0, 1 carry to the next position, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus okay, 0 plus 0 1 1, obviously you are going to get the value as 1, and 1 plus 0 it is 1. Fine, you are going to get this particular answer. Now do you have carry here in this example? You don't have the concept of carry here. That means it is a negative number, isn't it? If you don't have the carry over here, what you have to do? Ultimately you have to convert whatever the answer you received, you have to convert that answer to the 2's complement. Remember, if you have the carry, you don't have the concept of converting the answer result to the 2's complement. You have to neglect the carry, but if you don't have the carry, you have to convert whatever the answer you receive to the 2's complement. How to do that? First invert the bits 0 0 0 1 1. Directly you are inverting the bits and you are adding 1 to that answer. So 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, bring that 1 plus 0 is 1 0 0. So ultimately you are going to get the answer as 100. Fine. Now you can cross verify, cross check, try to convert it to decimal, and the second position also decimal. Try for the normal subtraction and check with the actual answer. If you get any error, get back to me. Fine. Try to solve this and try to take your own examples, try to solve this. Now you have one more option. What is that? If you have the decimal points or the fractional numbers, isn't it? Now how to solve it? The same concept, you don't have any other steps, so you have to convert this part to 2's complement. How to do that? So 1001.01, invert the bits 01.0110. First invert the bits, then add 1, fine, to the entire thing. So 0 plus 1 1, bring 1 down here, again 0, the 1 1 and 0. So this is the 2's complement, correct? Now whatever the answer you received, you have to add up that answer to this thing, isn't it? The minion. So how to do that? So it is 1010.11 plus, correct, it and 0110.11, isn't it? Now bring down that dot here in the result. Okay, now 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 it is 0, 1 carry here, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 again 1, 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 0 it is 0, 1 carry, you have to neglect the carry, so ultimately you will get the answer as 1.10. So this is the answer for the fractional problems. So remember, whenever you get the carry, you have to neglect the carry, but whenever in this example, so whenever you get the carry, you have to neglect the carry, but whenever you don't get the carry, you have to convert the result to the 2's complement by inverting the bits and adding 1 to the entire result. So ultimately you are going to get the actual answer. Fine. Now the same case for the your fractional or whatever you say, the decimal points or no fractional problems as well. So you can try this. So take your own examples, try to solve it. If you want me to give, I can give, I don't have any issue. So if you want, you can take down 0 1 0 0, say for example 1. So minus, say for example 1 0 1 0. Try to solve this, and 1 0 1.1, say for example minus say 0 0 1.0, or take one more 1 2, and you can take one more example. So 1 1 0 0 1 0 minus, say for example 0 1 0 1 0 2 4 6 2 4 5. So try to solve these examples. Fine, try to solve these examples, and if you get any error you can get back to me. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me. Fine, thanks for watching.